If you're looking for how to buy shares of First Industrial Realty Trust Inc., this short guide will walk you through the process. First Industrial is an industrial real estate company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FATHER-US, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker FATHER-US to locate the correct listing for First Industrial Realty Trust Inc. Confirm you have the NASDAQ listing to avoid similar symbols on other exchanges. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right security. Make sure the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and FATHER-US ticker all match. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and double-check order details before confirming the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or pending, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before you can finalize the order. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to review the platform used in this example.